Hi, I'm Alina from DIY Garden, and today we're going to be testing out this Kärcher K5 Pressure Washer. So what I absolutely love about this pressure washer is that it comes with so many different attachments. We have got a patio cleaner, it's got two different lances, this one's got 3 different settings on it, hard, medium and soft. This one's just for hard, and it also comes with patio cleaner, detergent, car shampoo, and the foam nozzle to put your shampoo in, and it taps it to the machine. This is my geese I've been using my doorstep to sleep on. It's very mucky, so today we're going to use this power washer to clean all of that out. So to turn it on, you just turn this here. So changing the different attachments is really easy. All you have to do is push it in, give it a twist, pull it out, get your next attachment, and push it in, give it a twist, and it locks into place. So this lance has 3 different settings to choose from. We'll start with handy for different types of cleaning tasks. And on the gun you've got this to show you how much pressure you're actually using. So one of the good features about this pressure washer is it's got a plug and clean detergent system. So what this means is you take your shampoo bottle, it has to be a Kärcher one, so that it fits into place. You just slot it in and choose the mix function on the lance, and it will mix through the water and come out the other end. Your cleaning attachment is really easy to use. You just slot it in, choose between soft to hard, we'll go with hard, and pull the trigger. Pressure washer is amazing on garden furniture as well. This machine goes up to a maximum of 145 bar, which as you can see is pretty good for just about any household cleaning task. You shouldn't really need much more, and it's pretty much in line with other models out there from other brands. So if you're looking for a pressure washer for anything around the home or the garden, I would definitely recommend the K5.